Okay, this is my first time open package. This is from all the way from Amazon from United States, and I'm gonna open it and see what is inside. Okay, yeah. I've been waiting for this for about 2 weeks, and just for everyone knows, at this point of time, a lot of international shippings are pretty busy. So if you're ordering anything from overseas, then just be patient because they would be delayed. And so what is exactly in here that I want to do this is, first of all, this is what I got. Okay. So write this down, book, especially if you're on Clubhouse. This is important because there's a lot of things that we want to write it down. And here is my notebook from Desiree Lee, my mentor. And this is beautiful. And then I have another thing that I want to show you. It's her book. Okay. I have to be honest, I already read her book on the ebooks, and I just want to have a paperback because I'm going to take this with me when I meet her sooner or later in the States and get her autograph. So this is one book that I would love to encouraging you all to get a copy, ebook or paperback, especially if you have teens at home and they're kind of like not really listening to you and kind of like want to be cool. This is a story that you want them to understand and know. So Desiree Lee's stories, it's one of the best book I've read. This is all I have, and happy Wednesday, everyone.